Hello and welcome to this evening yoga routine. Within this practice, we'll be doing a series of slow and steady postures to help you unwind after the day and get ready for a restful night's sleep. You may want some blocks and pillows and maybe a blanket too to support you. And when you're ready, we'll begin in a seated position. Rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose. And then slowly exhale out through the nose or mouth. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Continue breathing with awareness. And staying as you are, place the right hand underneath your bum and tilt the head to the left so you find a stretch along the side of your neck, down your shoulder and arm. Then come back to a deep breath in and exhale out. Holding for 2 more breaths here. Then release the right hand and place the left hand under your bum. Tilt the head to the right to find a stretch along the other side of your neck, shoulder, and arm. And deepen your breath. Release the hand and bring the head back through neutral. And open your eyes. Cactus your arms. Take a deep breath in and open your chest. Then with your exhale, cross the right arm over the top of the left and wind the arms around one another to come to Garudasana arms, eagle arms. This can be kind of awkward. Don't worry if the arms don't fully wrap around. Just try to press the upper arms and lower arms together. Then round your back and fold forward. Just opening the upper back here as best you can. Try to be still. Inhale and lift up, lifting the arms. Open out the arms again, cactus them. This time with your exhale, the left arm will cross over the top of the right. Arms will wind round one another, so Garudasana the other way. Then again, we'll fold forward, letting the spine round, chin tucks into your chest. Pausing here. Take a final breath in. Exhale out. And then lift back up. Release your arms. Uncross your legs and extend them in front of you. Then bend the right knee and hug it into your chest. Hug the left arm around the right leg and place the right hand behind you for support. With an inhale, lift from the crown of your head to sit up tall. And as you exhale, twist to the right, gaze over the right shoulder. Coming into half Lord of the Fishes pose, or a variation of. With each inhale, sit up tall, keeping the head over the hips. And with each exhale, you could roll the right shoulder back. See if you can create a little bit more rotation through the spine. Release your twist, turn to face forward. Then open the right leg out to the side, bring the foot to the inside of the left thigh. If your knee is in the air and you'd like a little bit more support, you could place a pillow or a block underneath the knee like so. Then rest the hands either side your leg. With an inhale, lift your chest, lengthen your back. As you exhale, hinge from your hips to fold forward, coming into Janu Shasana. Relaxing the chin to the chest without forcing the pose. Ease yourself in. You could always keep a slight bend in the left knee here if having the leg completely straight feels too much. Sit yourself back up and extend the right leg. Then hug the left leg in towards your chest. Wrap the right arm around the leg. Place the left hand behind you for support. Inhale, sit up tall, lift from your head. Exhale, twist, gaze over the left shoulder. Deepen the breath. With each exhale, roll the left shoulder back. See if you can find more rotation through the spine. Release your twist, turn to face forward. Open the left knee out to the side, bringing the foot to the inside of the right thigh. If you'd like some support for the leg, place a block or a pillow underneath the left side. Then rest the hands either side your legs. Start by taking a deep breath in and lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, maintaining that length you just created. If you're needing to modify slightly, you can bend the right knee. Relax your chin to your chest. Continue to deepen your breath. Sit back up and extend the left leg. Then come and lie down on your back, and you want to have a block or a pillow within arm's reach by your side. When you lie down, bend your knees and bring your feet close to the backs of your hips so that you can just about reach them with your fingertips. Then press through your heels, lift your hips, find your block or your pillow, and place it underneath the hips, so underneath the sacrum. And you can lower the hips back down, so we find a supported bridge here, and your prop should take the weight of your body so that you can completely relax. Couple of options. You can either open the arms into a T shape, or you could reach the arms overhead. Start to deepen your breath, counting the length of your inhale and your exhale. If your arms are overhead, relax them by your side. And if you're using a block, make sure that it's on its lowest setting, so you're resting on the widest side. And lift the legs up, so you're aligning your feet over your hips. And we come to a supported shoulder stand, just a little inversion. The aim here is to align the feet over the hips so that the legs feel weightless. Bend your knees and lower the feet down to the mat. Lift your hips and remove your prop, and then roll down the back slowly to come down to the mat. Keep the knees bent, then let your knees fall to the right side to come into a gentle twist, and the arms can relax wherever they fall. Lift the knees up and let them fall to the left side. Lift the knees back up and extend your legs to find Shavasana. If you've been finding Shavasana a little uncomfortable, you could place a pillow or a block underneath the knees so that the legs don't straighten completely. And this means that the psoas, the deep hip flexor muscles, aren't fully extended, which means that there won't be so much of a pull on the lower back. So get yourself nice and comfy. Relax the arms by your side and we'll settle in for a few minutes here, just letting the body recharge. I'll be ending this practice here so you can stay in Shavasana for however long you like if you feel that you need a little bit more time here. Thank you so much for joining me for today's practice. Take care, and I'll see you next time.